Hi, I'm Scott with Gunday YBM, and today we're going to be looking at using the expression in case. Now we use the expression in case to prepare someone for the possibility that something might happen in the near future. Now let's take a look at this example situation, okay? The situation is, it is not raining now, but you can see that it is quite a cloudy day. And perhaps the TV weatherman said that it might rain sometime later in the day. So what should you do to prepare yourself for this situation? Well, you should bring your umbrella with you when you go out, okay? This does not mean that it will rain, but we're just simply preparing for what is possible or likely to happen. So, in other words, we can say this simply: you should bring your umbrella in case it rains. This means, yes, bring your umbrella for the possibility or likelihood that it will rain sometime in the near future. Let's look at another example. Let's say in about 10 minutes you're going to go out and go hiking, okay? And the weather's quite nice, it's warm, but let's say perhaps the weather will get cooler later in the day while you are still hiking. And again, maybe the TV weatherman said to expect cooler temperatures. Okay, so what do you do to prepare for this possibility? Well, for example, you can bring a sweater with you. Not wear a sweater, but bring it with you. Again, just preparing for what could happen. So, to use the expression in case, we will say, bring a sweater with you in case it gets cold. Now let's look at this example. You are riding your bicycle to the store. And of course, you have to leave your bicycle outside when you go in the store. You can't take it in with you. But someone might try to steal your bicycle while you are in the store. So what should you do? Well, you should lock your bike in case someone tries to steal it. Now again, this does not mean someone will steal your bike. We're using in case just to state that a preparation must be made because something is possible or likely to happen in the near future. Now let's look at a common mistake when using in case. Let's look at this sentence. You should turn off your phone in case you are in the cinema. Now it's true that when you are in the cinema watching a movie, you should turn off your phone because you don't want to disturb the other people in the movie theater. But this sentence says to turn your phone off to prepare you for the likelihood or possibility that you will be in a movie theater in the future. Okay? This is a little strange because we are turning our phone off now because maybe I'll go to the movie theater later. No, we don't do this, okay? We turn off our phone when we are in the cinema. So in this case, we are not going to use in case. Here we're going to say when. Because only when you are in the movie theater should you turn off your phone. You do not turn it off before because possibly you will go to the movie theater. Let's look at another example. This sentence says, you should call the police in case your bike is stolen. Again, this is very strange. This is saying that I should call the police now because it's only possible that my bike will be stolen in the future. You would never do this, okay? So again, you cannot use in case here. But what you can say is, you should call the police when or even if your bike is stolen. Okay, that means only when or if this happens should you call the police. Now here we have three sentences, okay? I will draw a map for you, blank, you get lost. You can give her this letter, blank, you see her. The alarm will sound, blank, someone tries to break in. Now, you have one of two choices. In this blank spot, only either in case or when or if can go in these spots. I would like you to pause this video, okay, and then try to figure the answer out. And then we'll look at the answers. Okay, let's look at the first sentence. It says, I will draw a map for you, blank, you get lost. Now, you have to ask yourself, first of all, are you lost now? Or is this something that will possibly happen in the future as you are going to the place the map is for? okay? And is this something we have to do because this will happen or is happening, or is this in preparation of something, okay? Now, if I said I will draw a map for you when you get lost, this is a little difficult to explain because let's say I'm walking somewhere, a specific destination, okay? I don't have a map and I get lost. So if I'm lost now, how can this person draw a map for me and give it to me to use if I'm lost already, okay? So this is for preparation of something that could happen in the future. So here we are going to use in case. I will draw a map for you in case you get lost. I will do this to prepare you that this might happen in the future. Okay? Let's take a look at the next one. Can you give her this letter, blank, you see her? Okay? Now, are we preparing anything here for something that could happen? I don't see that, okay? If I said, can you give her this letter in case you see her, that's a little strange. How can I give her the letter only in the possibility that I will see her? It's impossible, okay? Can you give her this letter when or if you see her? Only when or if this happens can I do this, okay? And finally, the alarm will sound blank. Someone tries to break in. So, if I said the alarm will sound in case someone tries to break in, again, this is a little strange. That means the alarm will sound now, that loud, annoying sound will go on and continue only because this can be possible or likely sometime in the future. That's very strange. Alarms only sound when or if someone breaks in, okay? Someone breaks into your house, then the alarm sounds. So, the alarm will sound if or when someone tries to break in. To learn more, join Gunday YBM's Hot Topics class.